Hey, it's Susan Berkley from GreatVoice.com. This is the Inside Voiceover Video Training Blog. This week, I'm going to talk about how to save you some money on your voiceover career and where you really should invest. So skimp or invest. So let's start on the skimp side where you can save your money. And the first thing is on your recording software. A lot of people get great results with the freeware Audacity. You download it and you learn how to use it and you are good to go. Second place you should save, and you can save, is to do your own website. Use Wix, which is free. Some of our students are getting great looking websites on Wix by doing it themselves. Some other peripherals like a pop screen, it's almost no money, about 20 bucks, a mic stand, 20 bucks for that as well, or a copy stand if you even need one is about $8 to $20. For sound treatment, now a lot of people build studios because they're into it. They do it as a hobby. But to start out, and if your room is relatively quiet, you might be able to get away with just hanging a moving blanket behind your microphone. You might get some really good sound treatment that way. You just have to check it out in your space and see if that works for you. It's almost nothing to go down to Home Depot and buy one of those moving blankets. Microphones, USB mics, relatively inexpensive for about $100. You can buy a Blue Yeti or a similar mic. And where you should invest is definitely in your coaching, because voiceover is one of those things where it's very difficult to hear yourself as others hear you. And you will save yourself a lot of time by getting some quality coaching on your technique, not to mention your demo, which is the other place where you should really invest. When we work with our students, we have a class and a demo package where we work with you by Skype. And when you're doing your demo, you're actually recording it at a local studio under our direction, and then we're doing all the post-production for you. So at the end, you get a high-quality, professionally sounding demo, which you really need to be competitive in this business. When you don't have that, it's like trying to be a fashion model with a picture that you take on your iPad or iPhone. It just doesn't work. So there's some suggestions for you where you can save and where you really should invest to get the professional best for your voiceover career. I'm Susan Berkley, and I'll be back next week with more Inside Voiceover.